Hello guys, what's up and welcome to Tactical Ashigarami TV. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that noti bell, and all that good jazz. Here we are coming at you with some more gameplay from Combat Ready Ig located in Japan. This medic game is insane. Let's get right into it.
One, two. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a door. Okay. Medic?
Yes, medic.
Doshio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Okay, thank you.
20? Need you? Yabai! しなかった。20? やばい。無理。Holy shit. 面白い。見る。That's a far distance. I can't make that shot. あっち。Too far. Yeah. We bottleneck, man. So. Go! I'm hit. Gang! I got one down. One down. One down. Oh, he's in trouble. They ain't never getting to you. He's in trouble. Toko. Futari, Toko. Hito! I'm hit. Oh, I'm hit. Somebody help me. Hito. Help. I'm bleeding out. Medic. I need friends. Medic, help me. Help me. Oh, thank you. Bro! Back in it. Who got you down, boy? You better stay down. Right there. down, one down, one down. Oh, there's one in there? The line is one in there. What do you think, he's slick? Sorry. Okay, frisky over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Get up, my boy. You back in the game. Let's get back in the game, son. Rush them, rush them, rush them, rush them, rush them, rush them. Eat their breakfast. Where they at? Oh, I see them right there. I dare you to stand up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's right, let's get up, get up, get up, get up. You're up now, you're up now. Yeah, they're up in that Jeep. Get them up in that Jeep. That's right. It's finished. Are they in there? Let's rush it, man. Let's rush it. It's all of us in. Let's rush it. Let's breach. Let's breach. They're done. Let's breach. Let's breach. We in there. We in there. We in there. Oh, they have boys that are guard. Oh my God! It was just you? What you doing? Yo, where you from?
Alright guys, thank you so much. We hope you enjoyed the video. And as per usual, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and all that good jazz. Check out the Patreon, members only, and our Discord for additional content and videos. See you soon.